Excalibur provides powerful management capabilities. In Excalibur, every user can log into the management dashboard and see their own activity, all their sessions, on what computer, when and where. Active sessions can be directly logged or logged out. Activity can be inspected on the graphical timeline. Every action can be inspected, meaning every authentication, authorization in all of the detail. What factors have been provided? What security policy allowed this action? If there were security incidents, these can also be inspected. If a user has different roles assigned, he can switch between them from the interface. The default view of the administrator shows the system resource usage overview. Administrator is able to view all the users of the system. Let's switch to our user. The difference in this view is that the administrator sees all of the locations, not the map on the bottom corner. Locations are managed using geofences. Let's add a new one just for this particular user. Let's zoom out and find the right spot. Just draw the geofence and select the default category for it. Everything in Excalibur is logged. Let's check out the audit logs. This is the geofence we just created. Administrator is able to control security policies. Let's create a new one. Let the scope of this security policy be just authentication. A security policy can control not only what authentication factors must be provided, but also limit access to resources or resource groups based on time, dates, or other factors. We can again check the audit logs and see the newly created security policy. Another cool feature of Excalibur is peer verification. Using the management dashboard, it is possible to inspect every action, even verifications, clearly showing who verified who, where, using what factors, based on what security policy.